In this video, I want to show you how to open attribute table of feature in Terrset Idrisi Selva. So when you open Terrset Idrisi Selva, this is how the interface looks like. We know that in ArcGIS, for example, when you have a layer like this and you want to check the attribute table, what you do is that you come to the layer, right click, and you will see open attribute table. When you click on it, it will open the attributes of that feature. However, in Terrset GIS is quite different. So let's open the same data here. Just click on File, come to Import, come to Software Specific Formats, come to S3 Format, and click on Shape IDR. So let me just navigate to that folder by clicking here. So this is the data. I'll click on it and click on OK. Then let's just call the output name Anambra LGA. Then click on OK. Click Yes. Click OK. Yes, it has been loaded. Then you can now click on Close. Let's expand it to see it better. So if you look here, this data is the same one we have in ArcGIS, the same shapefile. Now, to check the attributes in Terrset is quite different. So to do that, once you load in data, it will open Composer. This Composer is what you use to check the attributes and properties of the data. So to check the attribute of this very data in Terrset, come here, you will see Layer Properties. Click on it. Then come to Properties. Click on it. Then come to Access Table. Click on Access Table. It will open the attribute table of this very layer. So this process is quite different from what is obtainable in ArcGIS. For example, in ArcGIS, you just right click the layer and open the attribute table, and it will open the table. But in Terrset, what you do is that you come to Composer, click on Layer Properties, come to Properties, and click Access Table. Then it will open the attribute table. I hope this video is helpful to someone. Thank you for watching.